right, there's your 3-step. Now, let's break it down. We're gonna go in 1. From our starting position, now my leg is out, and then I'm just gonna switch my legs. See, I'm in a squatting position now, and I'm just gonna do a foot swipe. Okay, I'm gonna swing that leg in, and boom, legs out. Okay, to a straddle position, just like that. Okay, so from another angle, you see I'm gonna bring my leg in. 1, kick that leg all the way out. Then my 2 is gonna be right there, switch your legs, and then 3, I'm just gonna swing over and do the foot swipe, legs out. There's your 3-step. Make sure you practice. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.